guys, today I'm going to be covering called how to make cookies. Stay tuned. So here we are. We got this cookie. So we're going to mix it together. Yes, going to put it to my china. Okay, so we're going to put it in the bowl. And then put that.
Tell them the ingredients will be in the description.
Yep. So click on my channel, click on my scrubber, and then put my scrubber in my Noah channel. So
Now we're gonna put in salt.
salt in there. So how to make cookies? We're gonna put salt in there. How to make cookies?
Now we're gonna put some cinnamon.
Yep, cinnamon. So that's where we're going to
Now
make
we have
cookies.
some baking soda.
So we got baking soda. So let's try
We're gonna mix in some vanilla.
banana. So we're going to put in here. So we're going to we're going to be covering with you guys.
We're gonna mix in our eggs.
Yeah, because we're going to mix.
go.
Okay.
Mix in our eggs.
Yeah, we're going to mix it on the eggs. So we got it for that. We're going to get the.
Now we're gonna mix in our butter.
Yeah, because we're going to put in my channel. So we got it. You got it.
Okay, the butter.
Okay, you guys are going to. This is you guys' channels. So,
No, this is how you're gonna make cookies.
yep, this is how you make cookies.
You're gonna put in your brown sugar.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and get our regular sugar.
Yeah, we're going to put in there. So you got it. You got some of this.
Okay, now we're gonna put in our flour.
We got flour. We got flour.
Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix everything.
Yep.
Mix it with that.
Okay. So you're going to mix it. So you step to do, you got your thing, you just keep loading, and you got your channel. So you got your thing. Hey, I'm going to do that.
Mix it.
Okay.
Okay, now what you do the fun part.
Okay.
The fun part we get to look up.
Okay.
We're gonna stick our hands in here
Okay.
and we're gonna mix it.
Okay. So we're going to do it and mix it all around and go it.
Mix it because you want it all
Yeah.
slimy.
A slimy. And put in there.
Mix all the ingredient.
Yep, we got it. So ingredients, we're going to mix around like this. So you got your homemade cookies. So we're going to, go onto my channel and click on the below and then go into my cooking channel.
Okay, mix it more.
Okay. Hey, Mommy, I
Mix it.
Okay.
You mix it.
Okay.
This is the fun part. Mix it.
Okay, so you got it. So you better have to squeeze a little bit, and then have to go get some more, and then go around, go onto it, and there's my dirty hands. My hands sound a little dirty because I need to wash them in there.
Keep mixing. So now we're gonna add a little bit more butter. Don't do that.
Okay.
Don't touch. It's hot.
So you better put in the butter. So you got it. So we're
So now you're gonna put in some of the raisins.
Okay. So we're gonna
Put a little bit at a time.
Okay. So this is a full raisin. So we're gonna put it in there and mix around with it.
You gotta mix. Hold on.
Okay. I mixed it myself. Now you.
Hold on.
I've been moving. Thank you. So you're warming up and then you got it. Ow, ow, ow. So
Okay, we'll mix this up and we'll come right back.
okay, we're going to put it. So we're going to mix it around and put it
Right
on
back.
those cookies.
We'll be back.
We're going to be back. Thank you for watching.
Oh.
So we're going to get it.
Take it by your hand. There. Get this piece.
Okay.
Take it and roll it.
Roll it.
Roll it in a ball. You want it like that.
Okay. I don't know how to do this. This looks perfect.
Roll it like this.
This is like this.
You want to roll the ball.
Yeah, I want to do that.
Okay, you do that.
Okay.
I'm going to grab another piece. Roll it. Put it there. Grab another piece.
Here we go. That's the bowl.
Okay, roll it.
Okay.
You gotta roll it in a circle, see? In a ball.
I'm making the rest.
Don't drop it.
Why? Right here?
Over the bowl like this. Look at me. Over here.
Okay.
Go.
I'm done with it.
One. Let me see.
Oh, here you go. You really got it. Ah,
Wash your
it's sticky. It's sticky.
Want me to do it?
Ah?
Want me to do it?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I've been mixing the spoon.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands and then come pick that up.
Okay. Keep going, Mommy. Stuck in my face. Oh, I got you. Can I
that.
make... Oh. Let me put that in my mouth. Oh. 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 I'm
See, you have baking soda on your hand, so it doesn't stick to your hand.
That's it.
See? It won't stick to your hand now. See?
Okay.
See, it's not sticking to your hand?
Yeah. Yeah.
When you do this one,
That.
you put it up here like that. Come here and touch the baking soda again.
Here we go. We got the bowl. Here we go. I got it.
No, you need a bigger one.
The bigger one.
This big. See? Here, wash your hands.
Okay. This place is got. Watch it. Oh yeah. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it.
Yeah. Okay, we're just going to continue to put baking soda on our hands. Wait,
Do it in my hand.
no.
I want to do it to my hand. Did you stop the camera, Mommy? So you got your homemade cookies.
Yep, we're having
Homemade cookies.
oatmeal raisin cookies.
Yeah.
Now we're going to put some more baking soda on our hands. So
Okay.
the cookies don't stick to our hands.
Yeah. I need to put it in my hand. So we're gonna put it on our hand. That's what I was gonna say because we need to put it on. Give me the thing.
You got to roll it in a ball.
Okay.
See, watch me. See, I have it like this.
Okay.
Roll it in a ball. Look at, see? Ball. Circle, see? Circle.
Oh, okay. Here we go. We got the bowl. the bowl.
Yep, that's a little ball.
I love
Little
it.
ball. Okay. Another one. Can we eat some of these?
Yeah.
Okay. You know what we're gonna do after this?
Yeah.
We gotta stop eating them. You're not gonna have any when you're done. So what we're gonna do, after we get all these ones right here,
Yeah.
we gotta stick it in the oven.
Yeah.
The oven has to be 350 degrees. Tell them that.
1500 degrees.
350 degrees.
That's that bigger.
Yeah.
Get another one. I need to get another one.
Okay.
So we're gonna get it and then mix it together. Okay, I need to get that bigger one. I got that bigger one.
Hey, no.
Why? I want that bigger one.
Hold on.
Can I want some?
No. See, now that they're all done,
Okay.
we're gonna stick them in the oven.
Okay, thank you for watching. Go
Hold
to
on.
Hello.
Okay, now what we're gonna do,
And put in
we're
the
gonna take our pan, open it up, and move back away.
Okay, we're
We're gonna go
going to,
ahead and put them on the bottom shelf.
yeah. So we're going to close up. You got your homemade cookies. So you got your homemade cookies. So we're going to get all the cookies we have. So we got all the cookies. So to put, it's going to be my root channel. Thank you for watching. Give it thumbs up and go into my subscriber and give it thumbs up. And then good. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.